All right, here we are at, where are we? We're
Fashion
at
Island.
Fashion Island, that's right. I'm at Fashion Island with Colin, and he's going to solve da 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 the Rubik's Cube. So, he's looking at his watch.
Which time did that thing have?
This is an hour.
Oh,
So
okay.
you have an hour to solve it.
All right.
Start. Okay, I'll provide the color commentary. It's a beautiful day here, and the crowds are gathered around to watch Colin solve the Rubik's Cube. And they're also here to get hamburgers. Okay, watch these fingers as they fly. The flying fingers, woo! Wow. He's like turning the Rubik's Cube. Keep going, Colin. Yay, Colin!
Make me nervous.
Oh, sorry. Let there be silence.
Yeah.
Here, I'll do the go around you to get different angles. Tick, 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 tick. Concentration. I can't, it has to be like all one take or people will think you cheated. Go, Colin, go. Are you done?
Yeah, 153.
Whoa! Yay! Okay. Do the championship thing. I can't get it to stop. Wait a minute.